Centerville, our junior high school division. Wait until you see the energy and talent in these young singers. Our first choir is a favorite, the Smith Cotton Junior High School Sound Effects.
Featured soloists will be Colton Motsinger, Leah Goodwin, Josh Johnson, Emma Pettigrew, Kinsey Lamb, Erica Lamb, Jesse Layton, Elizabeth Beard, and Riley Blankenship. They are under the direction of Jan Sproles.
Please welcome the Sound Effects.
There was a time when I was alone, nowhere to go, no place to call home.
My only friend was the man in the moon, and even sometimes he would go away too. Then one night as I closed my eyes, I saw a shadow flying by. He came to me with the sweetest smile and told me he wanted to talk for a while. He said, "Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely."
Another pretty thing waiting for me to grab. But little does she know I'm a wolf and she closing, cause at the end of the night it is her I'll be holding.
I love you so.
Hey, that's what you'll say.
Tell me, baby, baby, please
Don't go away.
but when I play,
I never stay, cause every girl that I meet, yeah, this is what